In this demonstration we're going to look at the Move Wizard, and the first thing we're going to look at moving at is we're going to look at moving the virtual machine files. So what I've got two virtual machines, LonMove1 and LonMove2, and these two virtual machines, if we just have a look at LonMove1 to start with, what we can see under the settings here, we can see that we're sitting on local storage, and if we have a look at just the checkpoints as well, we can also see that we're sitting on local storage. And you'll notice here that I can't change anything, the virtual machine is up and running. So what we'll do at this point here, we'll just click the cancel button. And what we're going to do with this virtual machine is we're going to move the virtual machine files from one location or one Hyper-V host to another Hyper-V host. So all I'm going to do at this point here is I'm just going to right click, and then I'm going to click on the Move Wizard, and this brings me into a little wizard. So all I'm going to do is select my next button, and what I want to do here is move the virtual machine storage. We'll then select the next button, and we've got some move options. So I can move all of the virtual machine's data to a single location. I can move the virtual machine's data to different locations, maybe I want to do some storage tiering, and I can move only the virtual machine's virtual hard disk, so we'll leave the checkpoints where they currently are. So what we're going to do here is we're going to move only the virtual machine's hard disks. We'll then select our next button. We're just going to move the VHDX file, select our next button, and then we just need to specify where we're going to copy them to. So what I've done here is just specified LonHost2, which is my second Hyper-V host, VHDs, and LonMove1 as a location. So this is going from local disk to local disk, but I could have been moving these files to shared storage as well. Select our next button, have a quick read through the summary, click our finish button, and as we can see we're now performing the move. So if we now just look at the virtual machine again, what we can see is we are now sitting on our LonHost2, but if we look at the checkpoint files, they're still sitting in the same location. So we'll just cancel out this. And what we'll do for LonMove2 is we'll actually move that by using PowerShell. So what we'll do here is we'll just launch a PowerShell. So here's PowerShell, and the next thing we're going to do here is just issue the command to move both the virtual hard disk files and the checkpoint files, and we'll do that through our PowerShell commandlet. But just before we do that, we'll just minimize this down, have a quick look at the virtual machine itself, have a look at hard disk sitting on local storage, have a look at the checkpoint files sitting on local storage, so we'll just select OK here, come back to our PowerShell, and what we'll do is we'll now issue the command. So the command we've issued here is move-vm storage -vm name lon-move2 -destination storage path is going to be LonHost2 VHDs LonMove2. Right, so we can see it's moved the storage fairly quick. Just minimize this down. We'll just have a look at LonMove2, have a look at our settings. What we'll have a look at here is we have moved the virtual hard disks, and we have also moved the checkpoint files. And that's the end of this demonstration of moving virtual machine files through Hyper-V and also through PowerShell. Thank you.